along. You asshole. I have no obligation of what this dude set up.
You got to put a screwdriver or a pin through it, or a bolt.
I can't pull the truck, Pete. Well, I didn't know you were pulling it.
You better stick something through there.
I'm planning on that. I ain't letting this motherfucker come off. It's gonna whack my truck.
Here. What do you got wrapped around in on it?
You don't even have it hooked.
It ain't hooked. You got to hook it through.
This motherfucker.
Well, you're the one. You're a smart idea. Here it comes. Well, that works.
Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry.
You're good. Now, get it past that knot. There. Now it'll freaking come down.
I'm not looking forward to taking a shower.
That's probably asbestos.
Right. For real.
Well, see it floating in the air. There, now.
Jeez, Caleb. I thought we were with it.
That'll hold. What do you think, Cindy?
Oh, come on. Nope. You can pop that thing all your fucking way. It ain't hard. Yeah, I'm about it.
That ain't good. Huh? She's recording me and I'm recording her.
Try four wheel.
Four wheel. Well, back up and give it a jerk.
Slam it.
Give it a jerk.
That was my plan. Lord, bumper.
Hold on tight.
I know you've been through some views in your life. This is probably gonna be the worst one.
You gotta jerk it off. Back up and do it again.
Pull the whole damn building.
We'll do it again.
Well, you're pushing that dead tree over.
Well, I guess they use good nails.
I should pay you more often, bro.
Yeah, right.
Well, you don't have to worry about drug addicts no more.
Thank you for taking care of my
Yeah, he said there was more needles in there.
I'm not surprised.
Didn't you?
Yeah.
Hey, you.
Oh, well.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Thank you for coming over.
No problem.
Yeah, I had to see you.
No, if I was smart, I'd have backed up.
Yeah, if you was smart, you'd have backed up.
Hey, you